Hello, a quick video to show how one could actually use Tally as a way to build an interface specifically to be used on Android, because as you probably know, Routine doesn't have an Android app yet. Let me show you how that could be achieved. So Tally is basically a way to build forms like Typeform, Google Forms, etc. So you could use any one of those as well. It's just an example. If you wanted to use Tally, it would be something like create a new form, let's say capture, and then it would be something like, okay, I want to create, let's say something like, I guess, a short answer, and it would be the title of the task, basically. Now, when submitted, which is the interesting thing, so the form is going to be as simple as this. Now, what we want to do now is that we want to go to the settings. No, maybe the integrations, I don't know what that is. Let's publish it then maybe. And then what we want in integrations, we want to connect it to Zapier. So what we want is to trigger an action in Zapier if someone submits something in Tally. So let's connect this. So we've got a trigger, and the trigger, which is the form being submitted, event new submission, connect to Tally, which we just actually had, so it's all good. Continue. The value would be the capture, and then we would have a test trigger, which would not find anything, or there is a test one. Let's give it a try for another one. I'm going to copy the link, paste it, and let's say something to do, and I'm submitting it, which, as you can see in the submission, is here. Now, we're good, but the question is, did actually Zapier caught it? Zapier did call it with something to do here in question, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so all good. We continue with that, and we're going to connect it to Routine. So it's a really simple Zap, which basically says whenever there is a submission in Tally, create something in Routine. We're going to do create task. We're going to continue, and we're going to say the task name comes from the title here. And that's it. If we do this and we test the action, in theory, something should come up in your inbox in Routine. Let's wait a little bit because it's still running. It's all good. It's gone through it. I'm going to publish it, recheck the inbox. It's not there yet because it takes some time to refresh, but we've got this running. Now, what's good is that, okay, let's validate. Okay, something to do, so it's coming up. Now, what's interesting is that now that this is set up, all you have to do is just have this URL, which is your Tally form, ready and accessible on your Android phone. And whenever you visit it, just type the name of your task, a new task to do soon. And you submit it, and you're all good. It will trigger the Zap in Zapier, which will create the task in Routine. And so eventually it will show up in your inbox. Let's wait again a little bit, but it should come very soon. As you can see, new task to do soon. So that's it. Hope you like it. Thank you. Bye-bye.